I'm getting mic'd up. It's raining. Happy Monday, happy Vlogmas day 13. As you saw, I have some matcha from Omomo Tea Shop. My brother went and was kind enough to get me one. This is actually my first time trying it and it's so good. I've tried to go a few times, but the line is crazy long and I honestly was like not patient enough to wait, so luckily this was gifted so I didn't have to wait or pay for it. Anyway, it's well into the day now. It's like 2 p.m. I've just been doing some admin work like emails, doing some client work as well. Also working on some digital goods that I want to sell on my website. So if you guys didn't know, on my blog last year I also sold some digital calendars, desktop and mobile calendars. I revamped it and I'm gonna put out a few versions this year. In a few hours I'm also planning to leave to do some errands like Target, actually for sure Target, because I bought this circle mirror which is beautiful. I'm obsessed. Like, look at that, it's just so cute with like my perfumes and all of that. I love. And it actually also comes with the hanging hardware. That's what it says. I haven't opened it yet, but I don't want to drill a hole into my wall. If I can find like a command hook or something, I would rather do that just so it's like not permanent. Back at home now from my errands. Let's do a haul. These command Velcro strips. Then I went to my local Ralph's, which is I believe Kroger in some other states. I picked up some Italian parsley, this steak because it was on sale, whole Atlantic salmon. I also got a cucumber for some extra veggies. First from Trader Joe's is this popcorn that I already opened as I was driving because I realized I hadn't eaten all day and I started to get really jittery. Next for snacks, I got the crisp, crunchy crisps. I also got these pita bite crackers. I got 2 boxes of the Trader Joe's rice orzo peel-off mix, organic chicken stock. These next 2 are seasonal items. This is the truffle picante spicy pasta sauce. I'm not usually a red sauce kind of girl. I prefer my cream or oil sauce, but truffle, I have to try. Then I thought this was really fun. This is the Trader Joe's, quite possibly the world's largest fusilli Italian artisan pasta. It's quite big and I'm excited to try it. I was looking for like a loaf of French bread, but for some reason all of the fresh bread products of that sort were non-existent, so I ended up getting this sliced focaccia bread. This truffle burrata that I've been seeing everywhere on TikTok and Instagram lasts for truffle things. I have this truffle dip radiatore. Then for veggies, I got the sliced creamy mushrooms. I have the organic power to the greens mix, which I love, and some arugula, which I also love. I got some more steak because trying to eat more protein along with some of these carbs I got. 2 bottles of the organic orange juice, cold pressed. I'm planning to make the salmon, orzo, and salad for dinner. And yeah, I think that's it. day 14. I wasn't planning on talking to the camera today, but I got a notification that I got a package and I'm just so happy about it. So obviously I already opened everything, but this package was from Dr. Jart. I know, pinch me, right? Such a dream. So first is the ceramidin cream. This is a moisturizer. This was my go-to moisturizer during the summertime and even when I traveled to Hawaii and Mexico, so highly recommend this. Then I have the ceramidin liquid moisturizing toner, which is super funny because I actually am using this toner right now. Like this is a new one. This is the one I'm currently using and it's so good for the winter time. This is actually a product I've never tried before. This is the Ceramidin Eye Cream, a brightening and moisturizing eye cream. This is their Cyro Rubber Mask. Their masks are actually the first product I ever tried from them and they're so amazing. I usually save these for more like self-care nights because as you can see, intensive care. And then this was the one I was probably most excited about because this is a restock for me. This is the Dr. Jart Every Sunday Mineral Sunscreen. I am obsessed with this and I was so excited to get another one because I was literally saving the last bit of my first bottle. So thank you so much to Dr. Jart for absolutely spoiling me once again. I really appreciate all these products. This video is not sponsored, they just kindly gifted these products to me and I genuinely love them. So if you're interested, I am going to leave some of the product links down below in the description box. And if you're interested in trying something from them, definitely try out this sunscreen and treat yourself to a face mask. You might as well. Like, it's so good. Hello everyone, happy Wednesday, happy Vlogmas Day 15. Can you believe we're halfway through December? 2022 is 2 weeks away, like. So as you can see, I am getting ready. It's already about noon, but I wanted to put some makeup on because there's a few things that I want to film. I'm feeling a lot better compared to yesterday. I also slept at like 9:30, or I was in bed by 9:30, so I'm definitely rejuvenated. I feel refreshed and really great. So here I am, just trying to catch up from any work I missed yesterday. I have to edit the collabs I shot on Monday, so I need to upload that by tonight. And then I shot some lifestyle content this morning for another collab, which actually has to do with my room tour. Tomorrow, I'm actually going to be going out to Kenny's work area. So I do these like probably twice a month where I'll go out like on a Friday, pretty much spend the day out near his area so we can have lunch and then have dinner together. Sometimes we'll go to like Disneyland after, because ever since Kenny started working, I really don't see him throughout the week at all. So this is my way of just kind of like catching up with him and spending some quality time with him. Happy Thursday, happy Vlogmas Day 16. As you can see, I am currently in my car right now because it's raining. So as I mentioned yesterday, I'm out in the city area that Kenny works at. Today kind of kicks off a bunch of Christmas celebrations. So tonight is like Kenny's holiday party with work. Tomorrow is Simbang Gabi, which is like a church Christmas celebration for Filipinos. So my family is serving food tomorrow night. So not sure if I'll get any clips of that, but now you know what tomorrow is going to be all about. And then Kenny and I are headed to a friend's party for like this weekend on Saturday, and then Sunday we're going to Disneyland. So a huge kickoff for the holiday, pre-holiday weekend. Hello. Hello. I'm getting mic'd up here at the Portal 1 Studios today, and I'm having so much fun already.
Ooh, superstar! 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 Just take us in the house!
Hello, everyone!
Hello, players, and welcome to the arcade show! But as a content creator herself, can she put in a better performance in the show? Please welcome nikkagabrielle! Yay! She ready, she ready, she ready!
Cheers! Hello everyone, I don't think I introed today yet, but happy Friday, happy Vlogmas Day 17. It's been quite a hectic day. I was so exhausted from yesterday and last night's party, so I did sleep in a bit, but in the afternoon I made my way to Portal 1 Studios, where I was able to be a guest on the arcade show, which is so much fun. The host, Marcus Bailey, is absolutely hilarious, and the team at Portal 1 Studios is so amazing. They were so friendly and kind. I had the best time. So if you're interested in seeing the episode where I guest starred in, that's actually coming out early next year, I believe on January 5th. So I'm going to be leaving all the details to the show and details to the game where you can play along with me down in the description box. Huge shout out to everyone at Portal 1 Studios. It was such a blast to hang out with you guys today. I can't wait for everyone else to see the episode. Anyway, as you can see, I am kind of in a different outfit because I hadn't really eaten all day because I just was so nervous about being on the show, to be honest. When I came home, I ate and spilled matcha all over my sweater. So we are now in a turtleneck and a puff, and we're headed to Mass with my family for a Simbang Gabi celebration. So we're going to be there for the next few hours, and then I need to come home and pack because Kenya and I have a little getaway this weekend, so it's going to be really fun.